Anna-Lena Forster will want a run with no mistakes. 2:21.60 for Anna Schaffelhuber in her combined runs. The world champion has set a time. The Paralympic champion now has the job of getting down, clean, and inside 1:41. The first intermediate, and she is. 2:21.60 is the time to beat to take the world title, to match the Paralympic title. But we saw Schaffelhuber make the mistake right at the end. It can happen at any time. 4.73 now. This is big from Anna-Lena Forster. All comes at very sideways. That would have slowed her down a little, but surely not enough to lose out. 2:21.60. Oh, and there it is. A huge moment. Now has she got time to get to the bottom here? Just a few gates to go. Oh, 2:18.24. Oh, she can breathe a huge sigh of relief. Drama right at the end. Well, she will look back at that and realise that she is a lucky, lucky lady. That could have gone all sorts of wrong. She was delighted at the end, and the two German athletes come together. Schaffelhuber and Forster take gold and silver between them.